Friends, welcome to Bhartiye products. In the world of endless dishes, bottle washing can feel like a never-ending chore. But fear not, because there's a hero waiting in the wings, the bottle washing machine. This nifty machine takes the hassle out of cleaning bottles, saving you time, effort, and even water. Imagine tossing in your dirty bottles, from baby bottles to sports bottles and even wine bottles, and having them emerge sparkling clean and sanitized. These machines come in various sizes and styles, from countertop models perfect for home use to industrial giants ideal for high-volume businesses. They often utilize powerful jets of water and even sanitizing solutions to ensure a thorough clean, leaving your bottles spotless and ready for their next refill. So, ditch the hand-washing struggle and embrace the convenience of a bottle washing machine. It's a simple investment that will have you wondering how you ever lived without it. If you're interested in learning more and buy, visit our website to see our amazing machines and how they can help your business grow.